Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Now if you missed out on the last video, please make sure you go back and check that out. I'll leave a link down below. With that being said, I'll just show you guys what's going to be happening for today's video. So we're going to be cleaning these pipes. They're pretty rusted, so I just thought I'd use a metal polish, just give them a nice clean. I really like this blue coloration you have on these pipes here because they are genuine titanium pipes from Akopovic, and I will be giving you guys a sound of the bike very soon, but just want to make sure the bike is nice and clean before we start doing all the craziness. And also we are going to be changing the bar ends. Focus. Bar end right there. Lever. That's both sides. And we're going to be installing tank pad and tank grips. Also have this little carbon fiber piece I'm going to be putting on top of the filler cover there. Oh, and the dash. So I have actually changed the dash. I didn't film it, but sorry I didn't make a video, but there it is right there, looking pretty. Alright, so that's the tank pad, that's the carbon fiber piece I was talking about before, that's our tank grip, and in this package here we have, check it out, our leather, MT09 leather. So this is what the old dash looked like. Completely smashed up. Yeah, so I was too busy to put that on video because I had other things happening. And that was the bracket. As you can see, it's properly smashed. That's all changed now, and yeah, it's the bar end. It's got a nice logo there. Alrighty. So with that being said, guys, sit back, relax, like, share, subscribe, and enjoy. Hi guys, this is what it looks like after the first pass. It's definitely looking better than what it was looking like before. So I'm gonna do a couple more passes. There's a bit of residue here, so what I've done is put a bit of wax and grease remover on it. Let it soak for a few minutes, and then I'm just going to use just a plastic scraper. I'm just going to scrape it off.